Napoleon back from the dead. Haha, no, that was all done by AI. How cool would it be if you could bring historical figures to life? Well, you are in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can bring any historical figure to life with AI. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. So let's first collect the images of historical figures we want to bring to life. Let's do Abraham Lincoln. And now, let's download George Washington. And last but not least, let's download an image of Napoleon. Now, we're going to use an AI video generator to bring these historical figures to life. And guys, I really would have liked to show you Runway's Act 1. It is a new tool where you can bring an image to life by providing it a video. So that means you could film yourself doing weird facial expressions or talking, or whatever, and then the image will replicate the movements. In fact, it is a more advanced way of deepfaking. So yeah, if you want to try that out, you will need a Runway subscription. And the image to video generator on Runway is free to use and it normally works, but for some reason it didn't work for me. But try it out yourself, I'd say. But okay, now we are going to Haiper AI. Now log in or sign up with your Google account. And now click on Create, and then on Click here to create. Now click here and then on Image to Video. Now simply add the image you want to bring to life. Next, you can opt to add a prompt, what you would like to see happening. You could also leave this blank, but I am going to write laughing and making funny faces. And then press on Create. Let's also do this for the other two historical figures. The video generation process will take like 2 to 3 minutes. Enough time for you to brush your teeth and do 4 backflips, LOL. Here is our first result. Ha ha ha, that is just hilarious. Let's download it. Okay, what a bummer. The other two generations failed. Now let's check out Pika AI. Simply sign in or log in with your Google account, and then you can also try this AI video generator for free. Simply upload the image here, and now you could also add a prompt like before, but it isn't necessary, and press the generate button. Next up, you could also try Pika. It is the same kind of process, but for some reason it didn't work for me this time. Hope you will have better luck. Here I will show you what I mean. Yeah, the waiting time is like forever. And last but not least, there is Kling AI. But for some reason, I couldn't log in anymore. Aha. But in my hybrid animal video, you can see what it looks like. Hey guys, our Halo AI generation is done. Let's watch it, and please don't get scared. Haha, I warned you. Before I'm going to show you all the results again, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Bring any historical figure to life with AI. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye. Here are the results again.